Okay, hello everyone. This is Irma with my note cards, and today I just wanted to show you some of the cards that I created during the months of March and April of this year. And as many of you know, we've been under quarantine, so that has allowed me to do a lot of creating. Now, these were the leftovers of my Easter cards. And again, I'm just going to show you all of these cards very briefly. These are the ones that are left over, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them away until next year. I call these my Ukrainian Easter egg cards because each of them has what looks like a Ukrainian Easter egg, and each of one I decorated uniquely. Each one is unique. So I'm just going to put that away. I always like making the thinking of you cards, and these are just some of the cards that I made. If you follow me on Instagram, you will see, or you will realize, that some of these cards may be a little bit familiar. I wanted to make these cards that kind of different. I wanted to include more masculine type cards for my as my birthday cards. And here are my famous stripe cards that I create using different stripes or strips of cardstock. All right, let's see what else I can show you. Thank you cards. There's always a need for thank you cards. And these were some of them that I created this past month. This is one of my favorite ones because it is not a scrapbook page, but literally these flowers I painted with my paint and a paintbrush. Okay, and we'll just continue. If I remember correctly, I may have made another video concerning how I create these florets. And they're all a lot of fun, and this I will add to my inventory so that when people ask for assorted cards, like let's say someone wants to order 10 cards, 3 birthday, 2 thank yous, and 5 thinking of you cards, I've got them all available for them. All right, and again, they're all my assorted cards, because everybody sends cards for a different reason, correct? Sometimes some people send cards just for to say hello, or a thank you, or birthday cards. And some people require or need more than just one type, of card, because they're constantly sending cards everywhere. So this is my greeting card, which is the same as hello. Okay, this is also another one that should look familiar if you follow me on YouTube, because I believe I made this card or showed you how I made it in one of my earlier videos. And these are just fun to make because it's just a matter of putting circles and doodling inside each circle, and you have a really nice hello card. Okay, they're just a lot of great fun to have. Let me see what else I can show you before. Oh yes, my abstract cards. These continue to be a very popular card in my Etsy shop, and I had the time to play around with paints and stencils. Oh, there's a birthday card in there. And I just created a lot of these beautiful abstract cards for those people that like a little piece of art with their card. So that's basically it. I have a lot of other cards that I did create this month, but I don't want to make this video too long. So that's it in a nutshell. Let me know what you think. Follow me on Instagram or Facebook. I'll leave all of my information down below for those of you that are watching this on YouTube. And comment, subscribe, share. Also, if you would like a free card, and this is only for U.S. residents only, I'm going to leave the link to that. And when you subscribe to my email list, not only do you get a free card, but you'll get a special coupon code so you could buy at 20% discount any cards that you would like. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you again very soon. Have a great day.